Very good morning. I'm Upendra Kumar Rai from Jharkhand. After completing my MBA, I have joined my first diagnostic company, that is Beacon Diagnostics, and after that I have joined Oscar Medicare Private Limited, and right now I am working with Jemitra and Company Private Limited. Successive contributions. Successive contribution. At first, I would like to say that sales is not only sales for me. Actually, my area of interest is sales and marketing. And in this arena, some factors are important, like your presence, product knowledge, and healthy relation with customers. And by the help of these, I have added many valuable customers, which definitely help me to increase sales. Uh, Product line service in your company. Company focus on priority basis for viral marker like HIV, HCV, HBsAg, dengue, malaria, typhoid, celiac, and scrub typhus. Uh, your product clinical and technical. We can take an example of HIV tridot plus antigen, which is fourth generation HIV. It has 4 dots, and first one is control dot, second and third one is HIV1 and HIV2, which is antibody, and fourth dot is P24, which is antigen tests, and its window period is 14 days. It is very helpful for surgeons before surgery. If P24 test is done, then it will be clear that patient is HIV positive or not, and it is very useful for newborn baby. It if he is positive, it will show positive. If he is negative, it will show negative. Benchmark of the product. Benchmark of the product of our company, we can say that it is HIV Tridot. Jemitra is known for HIV Tridot because due to its instant result and accurate result. It doesn't gives false positive or false negative result. That's why I can say that the benchmark of Jemitra is Tridot. Abbott, Abbott, SD, Tulip, Arcray are the main competitors of Jemitra, but according to me, all rival companies are our competitor. We cannot underestimate any company or any product. And next one is company's objective. Company's objective is to capture maximum market, including rural areas, and for this we have installed thyroid machines and malaria and dengue range, so that we can capture all the rural areas also. Objections. In rural areas, we can say that there are price war. Each and every customer want low price product, but it is our responsibility to educate them regarding quality of the product, performance of the product, service, availabilities, etc. only price is not only price should not be any factor. We cannot pick any product on the basis of low price. After 3 or 4 visits to doctor or MD pathologist, a deal can be closed. But I think I try to close deal at the same time, because if I'll close the deal at the same time, it will save time for other deals also. No. I don't get disappoint anytime. Anytime. If I have any lack of knowledge or any technical part of any product which I don't know, I try to learn, or I prepare myself in that way, so that I can answer all the questions of technical part. And when I prepare myself, I hit again and again to the customer. What I think, in any organizations, we all colleagues are family members, and we should always support and motivate each other. This will positively helps to achieve the target, or this will positively help to improve the sale. But sometimes our colleagues focus on price only. At the same time, I convince the customer with quality, service, availability of the product, and what benefit customer is getting through our product. That is more important for me. Incidents. Yeah, there was an incident when a customer called me, and he had a issue regarding dengue. Actually, antibody line band was it was showing very faint line. I went to the customer. I asked him to rerun the test. I got the same result. Then I convinced him that a patient was entering from antigen to antibody. Actually, the window period of antigen is completed, and window period of antibody was just started. That's why the faint line of antibody was showing. But customer did not convince. Then I took the sample from the customer and sent to company, and from there the same result came. Then customer convinced. As a professional, we should be technically sound about our products, and it is necessary to keep our eyes open towards a rival company. And daily hit strategy is very important. Suppose I goes to any XYZ customer on daily basis or regular basis, he will have faith on us and on our product and service. Secrets. Secrets are secrets, but I would like to put some points. First one is product knowledge. Product knowledge is very important for us. And second one is new PDC. We can say that new PDC, P stands for product. Suppose XYZ product is used, customer is using our XYZ product, but it is not mandatory that he will know about our all product range, then it is our responsibility to suggest them, to educate them that we have this product also. This one, D stands for distribution channel. If we will increase our distribution channel, then it will help us to achieve the target. C stands for customer. Day by day, new hospitals, pathologies are getting open. If we will capture or cover all those hospitals and pathologies, our target will very easy to achieve. Yeah, I have always achieved the assigned target 100% on consistent performance, and till now I am achieving my 100%. Current span of central is whole Jharkhand. My current span of uh, control is whole Jharkhand, and with the help of two members, we are doing business of 10 lakh per month. What I will do for company? Yes, definitely. I will do my best for company with my heart, and I will try to make it first choice for the customer. Yeah, I have done my MBA in marketing, and then I will come to family details. My mother and my spouse is housewife. I have two children and myself. Okay, thank you.